Today we're going to be talking about why your vocal mixes aren't where you want them to be yet. I dealt with this a lot. Even a year ago, I was like, man, I can't get this song to sound exactly how I want. Now, anything I can hear, I can pretty much replicate. And I want to show you guys how to do that with 3 easy steps. We're not going to be diving into any DAW. I just want to give you 3 concepts that should inspire you and give you a clear mind to be able to elevate and advance your mixes. Let's get right to it. Bam, what's goody? Jordan Baywood here, and I'm a music producer and audio engineer, and today we're going to be talking about 3 awesome steps that you can take to elevate your mixes and get them to be exactly where you want. The number 1 biggest problem I see from people that are sending me projects and saying, hey, could you make this sound more professional? Number 1 is overlooking your tools. You know, they'll have all these plugins on and they'll be like, hey, I can't get it to sound the way I want. And then I'll look at the EQ, I'll look at the compressor and see that they were overlooked. And then I say, hey,
do you know how to use an EQ? Do you know how to use a compressor?
They say,
yeah, it's easy concept, I understand.
But I'm telling you, the 2 most important things in vocal mixing and mixing in general is an EQ and a compressor. So make sure you watch as many videos as you can about an EQ and compression, because it's gonna be a lifelong thing where you're never gonna be able to stop learning about the EQ and compressor. I learned something new about an EQ and compressor every single day, so I promise you, don't overlook those 2 tools. It's very important, very essential, and the most important part about mixing. So number 2 ties right into this, and it's not practicing what you learned.
We're talking about practice, man.
Anytime I watch a tutorial, I implement exactly what I learned, so I put it into my memory bank. So let's say I watched a compressor tutorial earlier today. I learned something new about the different types of compressors. So what I did is I just practiced using multiple different types of compressors to train my ears to learn the different styles of compression and what they hear like. So if you learn something, even from one of my videos, just put it into practice right away, just so it stays ingrained into your mind. The 3rd reason why your mixes suck is you're not being consistent. And what I mean by this is that you have to practice this every single day. There's a reason this is called audio engineering. Engineering, that word alone, everybody knows that that's a hard skill to learn. And you know, vocal mixing is very hard. I've been doing this for years and I learn something new every day. I am out here practicing and learning every single day, and that's why I'm getting better. And if you don't feel like you're getting better, I guarantee it's due to a consistency issue. So just try to, even if it's 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, learn 1 new thing about vocal mixing and just implement it. That was my 3 reasons. I want to give you another bonus reason. I think this is going to help speed up the process and make you guys much more professional, save more time, and it's by using vocal presets and mastering presets. On my website, jordanbaywood.com, I have a bunch of vocal preset packs, mastering preset packs that pretty much automate the vocal mixing and mastering process for you guys, so you're able to save time, sound professional, and make more music. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, it'll turn confetti. Comment below any tutorial that you would like me to make or any preset that you'd like me to make, you guys. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I announce a winner that comments on my YouTube videos every single week on the Instagram channel @BaywoodVivo. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time I drop a video, all you do is hit that post notification bell right next to the subscribe button. Just do it real quick. I appreciate you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.